Hello there, Royals. Welcome back to my kitchen. So good to have you back. Today, I have a very interesting tutorial for you as always. This is moringa that you see me whipping. Moringa and then okra. So this okra, I had left it in the deep freezer, and all I did was to wash it and cut it. Just cut it, and then I added a cup of water in a pot and proceeded to boil it with low heat. We all know the moisturizing effect of okra. And then I went ahead and added my moringa. Have you ever tried moringa in your hair? Let me know in the comment section. Yeah, that's a moringa. Moringa can help your hair to be strong because it delivers essential vitamins and minerals to the hair follicles, and it is packed with vitamins A, B, C, and E, as well as zinc. So, hey, this thing can boost your scalp health, promote hair growth, get your hair stronger, get your length retention game going. All right, so I added about, is it 4 heap of those that moringa spoons. I will put the full recipe in the comment section. No, not the comment, but the description. Yeah, and I went ahead and strained my okra. So I boiled it for a few minutes, and there it is. Hey, I like to use hard products in my hair because I have a low porosity hair, meaning my hair cannot absorb moisture easily. So I like to open up those cuticle with something warm. So that's my okra gel. Okay, and I added about, I'm just gonna say maybe 200 ml. I'm also gonna put the description or the recipe in the description section. I'm mixing the okra juice with my moringa powder. Now, okra, if you have dry scalp, itchy, even with dandruff, you need something that can help your curls pop because it would help moisturize your hair. It has a lot of sleep. I don't play with sleep. I have a type 4B hair. My curls are tight, so I like to, loosen it up a bit with things like okra while deep conditioning or just conditioning my hair because it's going to make detangling a child's play. There it is. You got your moringa and okra mix. Look at that sleep. Look at that sleep. Look at that sleep. It's easy to whip though, just easy, and it felt so warm. And I went ahead and added um, extra virgin olive oil to my mix. That's the only oil that I added. I added 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. That's about it. Simple. Oh my God, I'm just realizing that this is just 3 ingredients. That's it. I don't like to use a lot of oil mixtures when I'm using okra because okra in itself is loaded. The shine that that thing will give to your hair, darken your hair, and then come moringa. And then that's our hair model, Mary's with the big hair. That's our hair dry. Recently, they've been wearing their hair out a lot to school. So what I did, I washed it with shampoo. I added apple cider vinegar to her hair, just rinsed it with that to balance the pH level, and then I conditioned and washed that, rinsed out the conditioner. And now I'm just going in with that moringa mask. Look at how great it is. Look at it. It's so rich. Okay, this thing also can strengthen your hair. I might have mentioned it, but yeah, it will strengthen your hair. Okay, warning. Even if this powder looks smooth, it has some residue. And the residue is more like sand, sandy kind of residue. So be prepared, okay? When you are rinsing out your hair now, what I notice is that it goes off pretty easily. Like it doesn't stick to the hair. Can you see that there is no like residue that you could see? But when you run a rinse out your hair, you notice that it has a sandy feel to it. And if you stay in the shower or just use a high pressure water, it would rinse it out pretty fast. So don't worry, don't worry. If your aim is to grow your hair, strengthen your hair, go for it, okay? And that's me. I always make sure that I add a generous amount of products, especially DIY max, natural things like this, to the hair because I want it to be properly saturated. I can't say that word. Saturated. All right, put it in a twist. All done, all done. Yeah, and I'm gonna wrap this hair up with about 3 plastic cup. I usually go for like a grocery bag, because this is messy, very messy. So I don't want to wash no shower cap or deep conditioning cap or anything like that. And she stayed in it for over an hour, and now it left the hair soft and moisturized. And I think the okra had a part to play with just all of that softness. Not as soft as I would love it, but yes, it did its thing. All done. So I went ahead and massaged the scalp with first good oil. I added, patted the hair, added butter and first good oil again and made it. I'm going to leave all of that in the description. And thank you so much for watching. Please, if you haven't subscribed to us, hit that subscribe button, turn on our post notification bell, and share, comment. Come back next week. We have another interesting tutorial for you. Always thank you so much for being here. We truly, truly, truly appreciate you all. Look at that end result. Shiny, soft, strengthened, beautiful hair. Bye, guys.